Another innovative product that Snowbee has made for many years is the chest wader bag. As you can see, it's quite a large bag and it's designed to hold everything you might need for a day's fishing. So the chest wader bag features a waterproof inner sheet so that you can put your wading boots in the base or any other wet items. Cover it with the waterproof sheet, which keeps your waders clean and dry. Waders on top. We have room then for a fly vest, a wading staff, fly reels, fly boxes, any other accessories you wish to put on. On the side of the bag, as we have all been in the situation where you're trying to change your waders and trying not to put your foot down on the floor. So on the side of the chest wader bag we have a roll-out waterproof changing mat, so you can stand on that whilst changing in or out of your waders. We also have another innovative feature. The adjustable carry strap unclips, has reversed clips so that it can then clip together to form a wading belt.